Silicone Shine contains silicone fluids, which are designed to give an all-over great shine to your motorcycle. Typically, the product should be applied from a distance of 10 to 20 centimeters away, spraying directly onto dull plastic areas of the motorbike, such as fairings and fenders, and leave to settle for around a minute. The formula is fast-acting and evaporates almost instantly to leave a thin, shiny layer on the surface. Simply wipe clean to reveal parts which look reinvigorated, with no need to buff. Silicone Shine may be sprayed directly onto a cloth before being applied on the area to be treated. It's important to avoid getting the product on control surfaces such as tyres, brakes, pedals or steering mechanisms, as surfaces will become slippery.